there is not one company, not one organization that is going through such turmoil and through such changes as cities are going to be in the next coming years.
The problem is that a city is complex. The city has different areas, different departments, different siloed departments, typically working still too much independent of each other. If you don't interconnect the different data coming from the different silos and optimize the way you use that data, you're not going to use your data in an optimal way from a smart city perspective.
Cities should make sure that whenever they order things, whenever they buy stuff, whenever they roll out stuff, they need to keep in mind that it needs to work in this kind of open platform ecosystem.
At Sigfox, we don't want to be involved in the verticals because it's so many application fields that if we want to enter in each of them, we will fail because it's so complex. We have to be focused on delivering the best network in the world in terms of low footprint and low consumption connectivity. But at the end of the day, we will know that people will invent the story on top of that connectivity.
Today you have capabilities where you can interconnect many more things happening around you. And that's what I think should be happening more and more. People should look into this convergence of capabilities where you innovate with a particular technology and you then actually use that innovation to scale up a number of applications across a number of vertical areas where you actually want to innovate within your city. Every time you're trying to sell something or you're trying to innovate something, the people of the organizations need to get the business case right.
First of all, the business case of the smart city, it's a systemic business case. Secondly, there are a huge number of systemic failures, and basically we are stuck with these four dilemmas.
If you want to build a business case or a smart city, you need to think about a number of areas or a number of people within your constituents. First, of course, your citizens. They are at the center of everything. You need to listen to what they really want and what their number 1, 2, and 3 problems are.
It's what we call not just the triple helix, government, private sector, academia, but the quadruple helix. We want to take on board also those citizens.
And that's how typically we see now people adopting smart city kind of applications by using pilots in streets, in city blocks, and making sure that they can actually approve and understand how this is going to change their life.
Street. The problem is consumed.
Ik had een voorbeeld aan van Hongkong, waar je nu ziet, het is wel zo'n bepaalde security. Als je